Hello everybody. Today we'll be learning how to calculate statistics for group data. So you probably already know how to calculate the mode, median, mean, and range for regular data. And if you don't, I highly recommend checking out my video. The link would be right here to get a better understanding of this topic. So this is how group data looks like. This data represents the masses of 20 students, and we'll have to find all of this. So let's look at how to find the model class interval first. So the model class is basically the class which has the highest frequency. In this case, it'll be 70 less than m less than equals to 80 because it has the highest frequency. Now let's look at the class interval where the median lies. So median, you can remember it as middle, right? So in order to find out the median, you have to add the frequencies, get the total frequency, and then divide by 2 to get the middle position. So in this case, the median is 10, but we have to find the class interval where the median lies. Now let's look at here. So until the fourth position, 1, 2, 3, 4, the frequency lies in this class, right? We want the class where the 10th position lies because that's the median. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in this class, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 frequencies for this class. And you can see that the 10th position is right here. Therefore, this is the class where our median lies. Now let's move on to estimating the mean and the range for group data. So, have you ever wondered why we call it estimate? Well, because we don't know what the individual values are. We are only given a range. Okay, so let's start with finding the range first. So the range is highest possible mass minus lowest possible mass for group data. So the highest possible mass we can have is 100, and then we subtract the lowest possible mass, which is 60, from it to get 40. So the range is 40 kilograms. Now let's look at the mean. So for the mean, we have to find something which is called the midpoint. And what is the midpoint? The midpoint is the point in the middle of these classes. So the midpoint of 60 and 70 is 65. And one way you can find this is by adding 60 and 70 to get 130, then divide by 2, and you'll get 65, which is the midpoint. Then you have to multiply this midpoint by the frequency, and you'll get 260. Now do this for all 4 rows, and you get the product right here. Add the product together, and you'll get 1,600. And then you have to divide this by the total number of students, which is 20. So 1,600 divided by 20, you'll get 80. Hence, the mean for this data is 80 kilograms. And that's it for this video. If you like this and you learned something new, please don't forget to subscribe and watch other videos here.